Hi everyone, welcome back to RoboMate TV. This is our unboxing video of the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. This is a pretty cool robot and it's the most highly spec'd robot on the market right now. We're excited to get our hands on it and see how it looks and feels, and that is what we're doing today. So we're going to unbox both the robot and the auto empty wash fill station. So together they make up the Ultra package. You can buy them separately, but we go into that in the full review video. So let's get into it and see what Roborock have for us today.